Hi everybody, I've been doing showings in the last few days and it's very interesting that we have some things going pretty quick right now. In the 600 to 700 range, we've had 14 sales or conditionally sold just last week. So they're not actually firmed, but they're conditionally sold. And I checked on a few of these listings. Some were listed in July, some late August. And it seems like in the lower range anyway, we have some interest happening, like it's happening. So October 23rd is another rate decrease. And I don't know what's going to happen after that. I heard it's supposed to be a 0.50 decrease. So if it is, and there's another one I think in December, I mean, I don't know what's going to happen here, but it seems like we're seeing a bit of an uptick right now. Now in that range, last month in September, it was up 12% over the year before. So that was September was up 12%. We'll see in October what happens. But it looks like in December, the 30-year amortization for first-time home buyers kicks in. And that's for all properties now, not just new builds. So between the rates decreasing and getting easier lending rules, especially for first-time buyers, the lower price ranges are definitely going to be where people, or we should see an uptick. Now, when that happens, just so you know, if first-time home buyers are buying, that means people with the first time, the smaller homes that now are having another child, or, you know, they're running out of room, they're going to be moving up. So you'll see a trickle effect, right? It'll start with the first-time buyers buying at the entry level, then those people who can now sell and move up and, you know, maintain a decent payment because they're going to make some money on their home and the interest rate is lower, they're going to start moving up. So I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen. Like, none of us have a crystal ball, but I'm telling you one thing. I mean, we saw it a bit in September and we're seeing it now. I mean, I wanted to go show a couple properties and, oh, it's sold conditionally. And then I tried another one, oh, it's sold conditionally. And like in that lower range, like I really don't even have anything to show in the area that I'm looking because there's nothing available and what was available is sold. And it's funny that, you know, it just, both of them just sold last week after sitting and sitting. So, you know, it's really too hard to say exactly what's going to happen. I mean, they could go up, they could go down. It's hard to say. No one has a crystal ball, and I wish I did, because it's so irritating when you're doing offers and people won't even sign back. And I had that this weekend as well, because now they're, you know, the seller's feeling a little bit powerful and there's more interest in their properties than there was before. So I don't know if you're a first-time buyer or someone that's looking to sell, like in the high price range, like they're still sitting there, right? They're not flying off the shelves, but in the lower price ranges, there does seem to be interest. And at the end of the day, trying to time it perfectly is almost impossible. So if you're ready to buy and you've been thinking about it, I don't know how much longer you should wait, because it's now starting to get into risky territory. If you like my stuff, hit the like, hit the subscribe, or drop me a comment if there's anything you'd like me to help you with.